तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? तुम कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? तुम आज कैसे हो? How are you today? How are you today? मैं अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I am feeling good. I am feeling good. तुम्हारा दिन कैसा बीता? How was your day? How was your day? मेरा दिन अच्छा रहा. My day was good. My day was good. क्या तुम्हें भूख लगी है? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? हाँ मुझे भूख लगी है. Yes, I am hungry. Yes, I am hungry. तुम्हारा पसंदीदा खाना क्या है? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? मुझे पिज़्ज़ा पसंद है. I like pizza. I like pizza. तुम कब सोने जाओगे? When will you go to sleep? When will you go to sleep? मैं जल्दी सो जाऊंगा. I will sleep early. I will sleep early. तुमने नाश्ता किया? Did you have breakfast? Did you have breakfast? हाँ मैंने नाश्ता कर लिया. Yes, I had breakfast. Yes, I had breakfast. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ. I am going to the market. I am going to the market. क्या तुम्हें ये पसंद है? Do you like this? Do you like this? हाँ मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है. Yes, I like it a lot. Yes, I like it a lot. तुम कब वापस आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? मैं शाम तक लौट आऊंगा. I will return by evening. I will return by evening. वो कौन था? Who was he? Who was he? वो मेरा दोस्त था. He was my friend. He was my friend. तुम किसे जानते हो? Whom do you know? Whom do you know? ये किसका काम था? Whose work was this? Whose work was this? तुम कब मिलोगे? When will you meet? When will you meet? यहाँ कौन आया था? Who came here? Who came here? क्या तुम वहाँ थे? Were you there? Were you there? कब तक चलेगा? How long will it go? How long will it go? तुम कहाँ रह रहे हो? Where are you staying? Where are you staying? किसके लिए किया? Who did you do it for? Who did you do it for? तुमने किसे बुलाया? Who did you call? Who did you call? क्या तुम समझे? Did you understand? Did you understand? ये कहाँ से है? Where is this from? Where is this from? तुम क्यों नहीं आओगे? Why won't you come? Why won't you come? तुमने क्या खोया? What did you lose? What did you lose? तुमने कब भेजा? When did you send? When did you send? तुम किसे खोज रहे हो? Whom are you searching for? Whom are you searching for? ये कैसे हुआ? How did this happen? How did this happen? क्या ये सही है? Is this right? Is this right? तुम कब से जानते हो? How long have you known? How long have you known? तुम कब मिलोगे? When will you meet? When will you meet? तुम्हें किससे मिलना है? Whom do you need to meet? Whom do you need to meet? तुम क्या करोगे? What will you do? What will you do? ये कब हुआ था? When did this happen? When did this happen? ये किसके लिए बना? Who was this made for? Who was this made for? तुम किसे पसंद करते हो? Whom do you like? Whom do you like? ये कब खत्म होगा? When will it finish? When will it finish? तुम किसे ढूंढ रहे हो? Whom are you looking for? Whom are you looking for? तुम क्यों नहीं रुके? Why didn't you stop? Why didn't you stop? किसने तुम्हें बुलाया? Who called you? Who called you? ये किसने बनाया? Who made this? Who made this? ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? तुमने क्या खोया? What did you lose? What did you lose? तुम कैसे आए? How did you come? How did you come? तुमने किसे बताया? Whom did you tell? Whom did you tell? कब तक रुकोगे? How long will you wait? How long will you wait? तुम कब तक रुके? How long did you stay? How long did you stay? ये कहाँ से शुरू हुआ? Where did this start? Where did this start? तुम क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come? Why didn't you come? तुमने कब छोड़ा? When did you leave? When did you leave? तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? यहाँ क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come here? Why didn't you come here? तुमने क्या लिखा? What did you write? What did you write? तुम कब लौटोगे? When will you return? When will you return? तुम कब से हो? Since when are you here? Since when are you here? किससे बात करनी है? Whom to talk to? Whom to talk to? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? क्या तुम आए हो? Have you come? Have you come? ये कब तक रहेगा? How long will this last? How long will this last? ये किसने किया था? Who did this? Who did this? तुम कब जा रहे हो? When are you going? When are you going? किसके साथ हो? With whom are you? With whom are you? तुमने कब लिखा था? When did you write? When did you write? ये कहाँ मिला था? Where was this found? Where was this found? तुम कब से रुके हो? How long have you been staying? How long have you been staying? तुम कहाँ जा रहे थे? Where were you going? Where were you going? तुमने ये कब किया था? When did you do this? When did you do this? तुमने किससे पूछा था? Whom did you ask? Whom did you ask? ये कब बना था? When was this made? When was this made? तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? किससे बात हो रही है? Whom are you talking to? Whom are you talking to? तुम कब तक रुकोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? ये कहाँ से आया? Where did this come from? Where did this come from? ये कब मिलेगा? When will you get this? When will you get this? किसने भेजा था? Who sent it? Who sent it? तुमने किसे भेजा था? Whom did you send? Whom did you send? ये कैसे किया था? How was this done? How was this done? तुम कब से जानते हो? Since when do you know? Since when do you know? तुमने कब किया था? When did you do this? When did you do this? ये किसके लिए भेजा? For whom was this sent? For whom was this sent? ये कब मिला था? When was this found? When was this found? तुम कब बताओगे? When will you tell? When will you tell? तुम किससे मिलने जा रहे हो? Whom are you meeting? Whom are you meeting? ये कब खत्म हुआ? When did this finish? When did this finish? क्या तुमने अपना काम पूरा किया? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? हाँ, मैंने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया. Yes, I finished my work. Yes, I finished my work. ये किसका फोन है? Whose phone is this? Whose phone is this? ये मेरा फोन है. This is my phone. This is my phone. तुमने किससे बात की? Whom did you talk to? Whom did you talk to? मैंने अपने शिक्षक से बात की. I talked to my teacher. I talked to my teacher. तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है? Where is your house? Where is your house? मेरा घर यहाँ पास में है. My house is nearby. My house is nearby. तुमने आज क्या किया? What did you do today? What did you do today? मैंने आज पढ़ाई की. I studied today. I studied today. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? हाँ, मैं पूरी तरह से तैयार हूँ. Yes, I am fully ready. Yes, I am fully ready. उसे कब बुलाना है? When should we call him? When should we call him? हमें उसे कल बुलाना है। We need to call him tomorrow. We need to call him tomorrow. तुम्हें किसकी जरूरत है? What do you need? What do you need? मुझे एक किताब की जरूरत है। I need a book. I need a book. वो कब आया? When did he come? When did he come? वो सुबह आया था। He came in the morning. He came in the morning. तुम कब स्कूल गए थे? When did you go to school? When did you go to school? मैं कल स्कूल गया था। I went to school yesterday. I went to school yesterday. तुम कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? ये बहुत अच्छा है। This is very good. This is very good. उसे मत रोको। Don't stop him. Don't stop him. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? हमें ये चाहिए। We need this. We need this. मुझे वहां जाना है। I have to go there. I have to go there. मुझे ये बताओ। Tell me this. Tell me this. ये बहुत पुराना है। This is very old. This is very old. मुझे ये अच्छा लगा। I liked this. I liked this. ये तुम्हारे लिए है। This is for you. This is for you. वो काम कर रहा है। He is working. He is working. क्या ये सच है? Is this true? Is this true? ये नया है। It is new. It is new. मुझे माफ करो। Forgive me. Forgive me. मुझे जल्दी आना है। I have to come soon. I have to come soon. क्या तुमने देखा? Did you see it? Did you see it? मुझे बताओ। Tell me. Tell me. तुम सही हो। You are right. You are right. इसे ध्यान से करो। Do this carefully. Do this carefully. हमें यहाँ रहना है। We have to stay here. We have to stay here. ये कहाँ है? Where is this? Where is this? वो जा चुका है। He has left. He has left. ये मेरा है। This is mine. This is mine. क्या तुमने सुना? Did you hear it? Did you hear it? वो कहाँ जा रही है? Where is she going? Where is she going? इसे मेरे पास लाओ. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. वो बहुत अच्छा है. He is very good. He is very good. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I liked it a lot. I liked it a lot. वो वापस आ रहा है. He is coming back. He is coming back. ये मुश्किल है. This is difficult. This is difficult. हमें काम करना है. We have to work. We have to work. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very nice. You are very nice. इसे सही करो. Fix this. Fix this. मुझे मदद चाहिए. I need help. I need help. हमें अभी जाना है. We have to go now. We have to go now. इसे वापस करो. Return it. Return it. वो जल्दी आएगा. He came early. He came early. ये बहुत आसान है. It is very easy. It is very easy. मुझे घर जाना है. I need to go home. I need to go home. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? मुझे तुरंत चाहिए. I need it now. I need it now. उसे बुलाओ. Call him. Call him. मुझे रास्ता दिखाओ. Show me the way. Show me the way. वो बाहर गया है. He has gone outside. He has gone outside. इसे उठाओ. Pick it up. Pick it up. वो क्या कर रहा है? What is he doing? What is he doing? मुझे अभी आना है. I need to come now. I need to come now. हमें जाना होगा. We will have to go. We will have to go. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. ये बहुत पुराना है. This is very old. This is very old. वो कहाँ है? Where is he? Where is he? मुझे कुछ बताओ. Tell me something. Tell me something. वो कौन है? Who is she? Who is she? क्या तुमने सुना? Did you hear? Did you hear? ये सही है. This is correct. This is correct. मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. क्या वो आ रहा है? Is he coming? Is he coming? उसे मत रोको. Don't stop him. Don't stop him. ये कहाँ है? Where is it? Where is it? उसे अंदर लाओ. Bring him inside. Bring him inside. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't need anything. I don't need anything. क्या तुमने देखा? Did you see? Did you see? उसे जल्दी बुलाओ. Call him quickly. Call him quickly. वो बहुत अच्छा है. He is very nice. He is very nice. मुझे फोन करना. Call me. Call me. मुझे पैसे चाहिए. I need money. I need money. इसे बाहर रखो. Keep it outside. Keep it outside. मुझे ये पसंद है. I like this. I like this. वो कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is he going? Where is he going? ये तुम्हारा है. This is yours. This is yours. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मुझे पानी चाहिए. I need water. I need water. ये मेरा है. This is mine. This is mine. उसे बाहर भेजो. Send him outside. Send him outside. मुझे जल्दी जाना है. I need to leave soon. I need to leave soon. हमें अब जाना है. We have to go now. We have to go now. क्या तुमने सुना? Did you hear? Did you hear? उसे फोन करो. Call him. Call him. क्या ये सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? इसे वहीं रखो. Keep it there. Keep it there. वो वहाँ है. He is there. He is there. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे माफ करो. Forgive me. Forgive me. क्या वो सो रहा है? Is he sleeping? Is he sleeping? मुझे और चाहिए. I need more. I need more. उसे जल्दी बुलाओ. Call him quickly. Call him quickly. वो बहुत अच्छा है. He is very good. He is very good. ये बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. उसे यहाँ लाओ. Bring him here. Bring him here. मुझे काम करना है. I have to work. I have to work. ये आसान है. This is easy. This is easy. उसे भेज दो. Send him. Send him. वो क्या कर रहा है? What is he doing? What is he doing? मुझे देखो. Look at me. Look at me. वो जल्दी आएगा. He will come soon. He will come soon. ये मुश्किल है. This is difficult. This is difficult. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't need anything. I don't need anything. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it quickly. Do it quickly. मुझे समय चाहिए. I need time. I need time. ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? उसे जवाब दो. Answer him. Answer him. मुझे और चाहिए. I need more. I need more. हमें समय चाहिए. We need time. We need time. वो काम कर रहा है. He is working. He is working. तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? मुझे बुलाओ. Call me. Call me. इसे ध्यान से करो. Do it carefully. Do it carefully. मुझे ये अच्छा लगा. I liked this. I liked this. क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? वो यहाँ है. He is here. He is here. इसे बाद में करो. Do it later. Do it later. उसे बाहर भेजो. Send him outside. Send him outside. मुझे और चाहिए. I need more. I need more. वो आ रहा है. He is coming. He is coming. वो बहुत अच्छा है. He is very good. He is very good. क्या ये सच है? Is this true? Is this true? मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? हमें जाना होगा. We will have to go. We will have to go. उसे बोलने दो. Let him speak. Let him speak. मुझे मदद चाहिए. I need help. I need help. ये तुम्हारा है. This is yours. This is yours. उसे छोड़ दो. Let him go. Let him go. हमें कुछ करना है. We have to do something. We have to do something. तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? उसे बताओ. Tell him. Tell him. वो कहाँ जा रही है? Where is she going? Where is she going? हमें अब जाना है. We have to leave now. We have to leave now. मुझे बताओ. Tell me. Tell me. मुझे ये बताओ. Tell me this. Tell me this. वो कौन था? Who was he? Who was he? हमें जल्दी जाना है. We have to go soon. We have to go soon. क्या वो वापिस आया? Did he return? Did he return? वो बहुत अच्छा है. He is very good. He is very good. हमें इंतज़ार करना है. We have to wait. We have to wait. मुझे अब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. उसे जवाब दो. Answer him. Answer him. ये बहुत बड़ा है. It is very big. It is very big. हमें वहाँ जाना है. We have to go there. We have to go there. उसे अंदर लाओ. Bring him inside. Bring him inside. वो क्या कर रही है? What is she doing? What is she doing? ये मुश्किल है. This is difficult. This is difficult. मुझे जल्दी जाना है. I need to go soon. I need to go soon. इसे यहाँ रखो. Put it here. Put it here. उसे जल्दी बुलाओ. Call him quickly. Call him quickly. मुझे छोड़ दो. Leave me. Leave me. वो यहाँ है. He is here. He is here. ये बहुत बड़ा है. It is very big. It is very big. मुझे मत बताओ. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. मुझे पैसे चाहिए. I need money. I need money. इसे ध्यान से करो. Do it carefully. Do it carefully. वो यहाँ सो रहा है. He is sleeping here. He is sleeping here. मुझे ये चाहिए. I need this. I need this. इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. तुम सही हो. You are right. You are right. सुबह जल्दी उठो. Wake up early. wake up early, चाय बना लो, make some tea, make some tea, कपड़े धो लो, wash the clothes, wash the clothes, नाश्ता तैयार करो, prepare breakfast, prepare breakfast, ऑफिस कब जाना है, when to go to the office, when to go to the office, पानी गरम कर दो, heat the water, heat the water, अखबार पढ़ लो, read the newspaper, read the newspaper, दवाई ले लो, take the medicine, take the medicine, स्कूल का काम करो, do the school work, do the school work, जूते पहन लो, wear the shoes, wear the shoes, ऑफिस के लिए तैयार हो, get ready for office, get ready for office, दूध गरम कर दो, heat the milk, heat the milk, घर से बाहर निकलो, step out of the house, step out of the house, बाजार जाकर सामान लाओ, go to the market for groceries, go to the market for groceries, गाड़ी स्टार्ट करो, start the car, start the car, बच्चों को स्कूल छोड़ो, drop the kids at school, drop the kids at school, काम पर ध्यान दो, focus on work, focus on work, पानी पी लो, drink some water, drink some water, बैठक की सफाई करो, clean the living room, clean the living room, घर लौटाओ, come back home, come back home, खाना गरम करो, heat the food, heat the food, बर्तन धो लो, wash the dishes, wash the dishes, बच्चों का होमवर्क देखो, check the kids homework, check the kids homework, जूते साफ करो, clean the shoes, clean the shoes, चाय पी लो, drink the tea, drink the tea, सब्जी तैयार कर लो, prepare the vegetables, prepare the vegetables, सोने की तैयारी करो, get ready for bed, get ready for bed, बिस्तर ठीक कर दो, fix the bed, fix the bed, लाइट बंद कर दो, turn off the light, turn off the light, फोन चार्जर करो, charger the phone, charger the phone, अलार्म सेट कर लो, set the alarm, set the alarm, खिड़की बंद करो, close the window, close the window, घर साफ कर लो, clean the house, clean the house, नाश्ता खा लो, eat breakfast, eat breakfast. किताबें समेट लो, gather the books, gather the books. बच्चों को सुला दो, put the kids to sleep, put the kids to sleep. पानी भर लो, fill the water, fill the water. लंच तैयार करो, prepare lunch, prepare lunch. काम जल्दी खत्म करो, finish the work quickly, finish the work quickly. बाल कंघी कर लो, comb your hair, comb your hair. बिल जमा करो, pay the bill, pay the bill. काम समय पर करो, do the work on time, do the work on time. डॉक्टर से अपॉइंटमेंट लो, take an appointment with the doctor, take an appointment with the doctor. गाड़ी की सर्विस कराओ, get the car serviced, get the car serviced. बच्चों को पढ़ाओ, teach the kids, teach the kids. बाजार से दूध लाओ, bring milk from the market, bring milk from the market. सब्जी काट लो, cut the vegetables, cut the vegetables. दवाई कब लेनी है, when to take medicine, when to take medicine. खाना पकाओ, cook the food, cook the food. टेबल साफ कर लो, clean the table, clean the table. लंच का समय हो गया, it's lunch time, it's lunch time. काम पर जाओ, go to work, go to work. कूलर चालू करो, turn on the cooler, turn on the cooler. बच्चों को जगाओ, wake the kids up, wake the kids up. दूध उबालो, boil the milk, boil the milk. स्कूल का बैग पैक करो, pack the school bag, pack the school bag. कार की सफाई करो, clean the car, clean the car. सब्जी मंडी जाओ, go to the vegetable market, go to the vegetable market. हाथ धो लो, wash your hands, wash your hands. गाड़ी पार्क करो, park the car, park the car. कपड़े बदल लो, change your clothes, change your clothes. घर में सफाई करो, clean the house, clean the house. टीवी देख लो, watch TV, watch TV. सोने का समय है, it's time to sleep, it's time to sleep. लाइट चालू करो, turn on the light, turn on the light. फोन चेक करो, check the phone, check the phone. बाल धो लो, wash your hair, wash your hair. बच्चों के कपड़े बदलो, change the kids' clothes, change the kids' clothes. कपड़े सुखा दो, dry the clothes, dry the clothes. मटर छीलो, peel the peas, peel the peas. फ्रिज बंद करो, turn off the fridge, turn off the fridge. दरवाज़ा बंद कर दो, close the door, close the door. बाजार से सब्जी लाओ, get vegetables from the market, get vegetables from the market. खिड़की खोल दो, open the window, open the window. स्कूल से बच्चों को लाओ, pick the kids from school, pick the kids from school. कुछ खाने को बना लो, make something to eat, make something to eat. कचरा बाहर फेंको, throw out the garbage, throw out the garbage. खाना टेबल पर रखो, set the food on the table, set the food on the table. बिल चुकाओ, pay the bill, pay the bill. अपना काम खत्म करो, finish your work, finish your work. बिस्तर पर सो जाओ, sleep on the bed, sleep on the bed. चाय जल्दी बनाओ, make tea quickly, make tea quickly. गाड़ी निकालो, take out the car, take out the car. अखबार उठाओ, pick up the newspaper, pick up the newspaper. अलमारी साफ करो, clean the wardrobe, clean the wardrobe. दिन की योजना बनाओ, plan the day, plan the day. गाड़ी स्टार्ट कर लो, start the car, start the car. बस पकड़ लो, catch the bus, catch the bus. टैक्सी बुक कर लो, book a taxi, book a taxi. फर्श की सफाई करो, clean the floor, clean the floor. दोस्तों से मिलो, meet your friends, meet your friends. बच्चों के साथ खेलो, play with the kids, play with the kids. चाय का कप रखो, keep the tea cup, keep the tea cup. काम शुरू करो, start the work, start the work. बच्चों के कपड़े धो लो, wash the kids' clothes, wash the kids' clothes. रसोई की सफाई करो, clean the kitchen, clean the kitchen. कार को पार्क करो, park the car, park the car. दुकान से ब्रेड लाओ, bring bread from the shop, Bring bread from the shop. Dining table साफ करो. Clean the dining table. Clean the dining table. सब्जी मंडी से आलू लाओ. Get potatoes from the market. Get potatoes from the market. क्या लाइट बंद कर दी? Did you turn off the light? Did you turn off the light? खाना ढक कर रखो. Cover the food. Cover the food. गाड़ी को लॉक करो. Lock the car. Lock the car. बिजली बिल चुकाओ. Pay the electricity bill. Pay the electricity bill. पानी उबाल लो. Boil the water. Boil the water. गाड़ी साफ कर लो. Clean the car. Clean the car. कंप्यूटर चालू करो. Turn on the computer. Turn on the computer. दस्ताने पहन लो. Wear the gloves. Wear the gloves. बच्चों को खाना खिला दो. Feed the kids. Feed the kids. जल्दी से घर आओ. Come home quickly. Come home quickly. बिल चुकाने का समय. It's time to pay the bill. It's time to pay the bill. बिस्तर पर चादर बिछाओ. Spread the sheet on the bed. Spread the sheet on the bed. अलार्म बंद करो. Turn off the alarm. Turn off the alarm. क्या घर की सफाई हो गई? Is the house clean? Is the house clean? बाहर का दरवाजा बंद करो. Close the outer door. Close the outer door. मार्केट से फल लाओ. Bring fruits from the market. Bring fruits from the market. गाड़ी की चाबी ले आओ. Take the car key. Take the car key. पानी के गिलास भर दो. Fill the glass with water. Fill the glass with water. बच्चों का बैग तैयार करो. Prepare the kids' bag. Prepare the kids' bags. मुझे कपड़े इस्त्री करने हैं. I need to iron clothes. I need to iron clothes. काम समय पर करो. Do the work on time. Do the work on time. वॉशिंग मशीन चालू करो. Turn on the washing machine. Turn on the washing machine. बाहर का गेट बंद करो. Close the outer gate. Close the outer gate. ऑफिस की फाइल तैयार करो. Prepare the office file. Prepare the office file. कपड़े हैंगर में लगाओ. Put the clothes on hangers. Put the clothes on hangers. अलमारी से किताब निकालो. Take the book from the wardrobe. Take the book from the wardrobe. रात का खाना पकाओ. Cook dinner. Cook dinner. बर्तन किचन में रखो. Keep the dishes in the kitchen. Keep the dishes in the kitchen. फोन पर कॉल करो, मेक अ कॉल, मेक अ कॉल। अलमारी से कपड़े निकालो, टेक आउट क्लॉथ्स फ्रॉम द wardrobe, टेक आउट क्लॉथ्स फ्रॉम द wardrobe। सब्जी का मसाला तैयार करो, prepare the vegetable मसाला, prepare the vegetable मसाला। घर का ताला बंद करो, लॉक द हाउस, लॉक द हाउस। फर्श पर झाड़ू लगाओ, स्वीप द फ्लोर, स्वीप द फ्लोर। मम्मी को खाना दो, गिव फूड टू मॉम, गिव फूड टू मॉम। सुबह की चाय बनाओ, मेक मॉर्निंग टी, मेक मॉर्निंग टी। काम का शेड्यूल बनाओ, क्रिएट अ वर्क शेड्यूल, क्रिएट अ वर्क शेड्यूल। करियाने का सामान लाओ, गेट द ग्रॉसरीज, गेट द ग्रॉसरीज। खाना खाने का समय हो गया, इट्स मील टाइम, इट्स मील टाइम। बच्चों का स्कूल टाइम हो गया, इट्स किड्स स्कूल टाइम, इट्स किड्स स्कूल टाइम। कपड़े अलमारी में रखो, कीप क्लोथ्स इन द wardrobe, कीप क्लोथ्स इन द wardrobe। नाश्ता खाने का समय हो गया, इट्स ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम, इट्स ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम। पानी की बोतल भरो, फिल द वाटर बॉटल, फिल द वाटर बॉटल। कार पार्किंग में रखो, कीप द कार इन पार्किंग, कीप द कार इन द पार्किंग। खाना जल्दी से गर्म करो, हीट द फूड क्विकली, हीट द फूड क्विकली। सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे। आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी। सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग।